Come along and you'll see how to add agreement templates to your HomeGauge Inspector Dashboard, allowing clients to sign agreements online anytime. First, from your Inspector Dashboard, click Appointments, then Agreement Templates. If it's your first time here, just quickly review the terms and conditions by clicking Review Terms, then hit I agree to proceed. Next, click on Create a New Agreement. Choose Start from Sample Agreement and click the drop-down to select from Common Industry Templates. Once you've selected one, hit Create Agreement, and you're ready to review and make edits to customize. First, give your agreement a name so it doesn't show as the title Sample Agreement. Now here's a tip. Don't remove those replacement variables that you'll see like this. The HomeGauge system will automatically fill these with the right info from your appointment. Once done, click Save Agreement Changes and you're set. Now your agreement is ready to link on your next appointment. Your clients can easily sign it online through their dashboard. For a deeper dive into this topic, check out our comprehensive online course. Find the link in the video description below.